welcome to my channel. ExpertSlides, the secret weapon for your presentations. In the fast-paced world of business and academia, captivating presentations are the linchpin of successful communication. Whether you're pitching an idea, delivering a lecture, or showcasing a product, the quality of your presentation can make or break your message. This is where ExpertSlides steps in as the ultimate secret weapon for presenters looking to elevate their game. Unveiling ExpertSlides. ExpertSlides is a groundbreaking presentation software designed to revolutionize the way you create and deliver presentations. Developed by a team of seasoned professionals, it combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to empower you with a tool that truly stands out. The power of ExpertSlides. 1. Intuitive interface. Gone are the days of struggling with clunky, unintuitive software. ExpertSlides boasts an intuitive interface that allows even novice users to create stunning presentations effortlessly. Its drag-and-drop functionality and clean layout ensure that you spend less time navigating the software and more time focusing on your content. 2. Rich template library. Crafting a visually appealing presentation has never been easier. With ExpertSlides, you gain access to an extensive library of professionally designed templates. From sleek business pitches to engaging educational presentations, you'll find a template that perfectly complements your message. 3. Dynamic multimedia integration. Elevate your presentations to a new level of engagement with seamless multimedia integration. Embed videos, GIFs, and interactive elements to captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression. ExpertSlides ensures that your content comes to life in a way that static slides simply can't match. 4. Real-time collaboration. Collaboration is key in today's interconnected world, and ExpertSlides understands this implicitly. With its robust real-time collaboration features, multiple team members can work on a presentation simultaneously, regardless of their physical location. Say goodbye to the days of endless email threads and disjointed revisions. 5. Cloud integration. Access your presentations from anywhere, at any time. ExpertSlides seamlessly integrates with popular cloud platforms, ensuring that your work is securely stored and easily accessible. This feature is a game-changer for professionals on the go, allowing them to make last-minute edits or present from any device. Elevate your presentations today. In a world inundated with presentations, standing out is imperative. ExpertSlides empowers you to do just that. Its user-friendly interface, rich template library, dynamic multimedia capabilities, real-time collaboration, and cloud integration combine to create a presentation tool that's second to none. Don't settle for mediocrity. Elevate your presentations with ExpertSlides and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just starting out, this software is your secret weapon for success.